Hi everyone, today's tutorial will show you how to fix Instagram notes not showing. So here are the step-by-step process. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, then search for Instagram to check for updates. If an update is available, install it. Then restart the app and check if the notes feature appears. If you're using a professional account, switch back to a personal account. Here's how to do it. Open the Instagram and tap the profile icon the bottom right corner of the screen. Then tap on the three horizontal lines. Select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down for Professionals and tap on Business Tools and Controls. Select the Switch Account Type to switch the personal account. Then confirm the switch and restart the app. If the notes are still missing, try switching back to professional account, then back to personal. Then, if the switching account doesn't work, report the problem. Open the Instagram and go to your profile, then tap the three horizontal lines, then go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to More Info and Support, then click on Help. Tap the report a problem and explain. For example, you explain that the Instagram note feature is not showing and you have to update the app and try switching account but still not working or it's still missing. Then, after submitting and typing your message, submit the request and wait for the Instagram response. And that's it. The Instagram notes should now be available. If the problem still exists, try reinstalling the Instagram app and logging back in. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips. Thanks for watching!